Tell me, because in the Hyderabad, I think you are closely associated with Hussain Saab also.
Yes.
What was your experience with him? Because you later also made some prints for him.
Okay.
Yeah. So tell us something about that experience.
No, I'll tell you one experience better. When I came from London, after that I joined Lalit Kala Academy, Gadi Studio. I was in charge in the printmaking department. That time, that one of the studio is started with Professor Shanku Chaudhary. He made a Gadi studio. That was one is a printmaking, one is a ceramic, and then is a sculpture part. No, that time there's only 3 disciplines he has to make it that part. No painting it was there before. So his concept was a very interesting part. That is Professor Shanku Chaudhary. He thought when we make replicas, prints, number of editions, and then you can make a ceramic also replicas, and you can make a sculpture also. So that concept was very beautiful idea to popularize the sculpture and printmaking and ceramic. Not in the painting. Painting, of course, artists are doing their own. That's fine. But how to get into the society? That was his contemporary. Today, he thought, particularly in 1995, 93, I joined Gadi Studio. 87. So before he started that, but that concept was interesting, why? Because one of the reason I come to know that one of this Simla Institute, advanced study, there are people who go there, do the research on a painting, the writers, they go there and do that. But same thing, they can come and do research in a Gadi, where artists are there working in a different discipline, like ceramics, sculpture and printmaking. But edition, how to make edition also. But that concept, we have not got that part. So when you mentioned that sense of how I come to think. One day I was having a party in his house, myself and Shamshad.
In Delhi,
Janpura. And Hussain Saab, he came and suddenly he said, Devraj, I made some prints, I want to show you something. He did in prints in America, in the Robert Blackburn studio.
Okay.
Printmaking job. So then he showed me very beautiful print lithograph, colorful lithograph.
Okay.
So he thought I can do something about print. Then he came one day. After that, I think he wanted to his 60th birthday, something like that. Condol, he wanted to make some special kind of thing, program. So he made he wanted to print some more good lithograph. So he asked me to make said that, Hussain Saab, I can't make the prints here because we don't have facilities like what you have in abroad. So that's why I took him to the old city in Jama Masjid. And then one of the press, lithographs, they did some prints. He was not satisfied.
Mm-hmm.
So that was first experience with him. Because he saw so many times my work as a printmaker. But he thought I can do some prints, but I don't have chance to make it his prints. So when I went to abroad, America, New Mexico University, after why I went to abroad, because when he came, he asked me to make an edition. Because that concept, we didn't have that kind of how to make edition concept in our country. Mostly people, they make prints just according to their experience. But we never thought how to make a edition perfection, like what you see abroad people they're making. In America and Europe, they do that. That is why I went to New Mexico University to learn. My wife, she supported that, okay, you can go have experience because you have so much knowledge about printmaking. So then I joined that Tamarind Institute. The only Tamarind Institute they have how to collaborate with the artist, how to make edition prints. So that's why I went for 1 year. I was there. Then after that, I came to New York during the break, summer, winter break. Then I met Krishna Reddy, professor. Then I discussed with him this, I want to come back to New York. I want to do something. So, okay, you can come, I'll invite you as an artist residence in New York University. Then after that I came, I finished my 1 year at New Mexico, Tamrin. Then I joined Krishna Reddy's. Then he introduced me Robert Blackburn Studio. That place is good. You can go and work. And same time.
Which year? This is
93.
93. Yeah.
So 92 I was in New Mexico University. So I came. Then after that I was working. And the same time I was working other artists also. I do instruments for collaboration also some other artists. Then Hussain Saab came. And Hussain Saab, he knows Bob Studio. He did before also number of times his work. So he asked me, wow, so I want to make some prints. So okay, he's one artist, he came from Tamil, he's Indian, he can do something there, he can help me. So he is a little afraid. Because last time when I was working in Gadi, I didn't make any effort to make his prints. So no, he was a little hesitant. Then after that, okay, then I tried that. Then, no, he's good, you can try that. So he made the drawings and I started working on the plates. And then he said, okay, Devraj, I want to make a very colorful prints. He liked colors. Then it's very interesting happened to me. So he always busy person. He made a drawing. I said then okay, next day he came, this area you make a color, this color can make this color. I said I can't do that, you have to work for that. Then I said no Baba, you can do a separation that can be. Then I said no, but I have some other idea, I can help you, that will help you. Then you can do some shinkle, it gives the same kind of effect. So he said okay, what is a shinkle? I don't know that. So then I'll show you one. So one day we had a lunch. After that he is having a nap. After that I made a couple of paper I bought, colorful paper. I made two prints. So he excited that. After excited, then he said, okay, everyone will buy the paper. Okay, let's go to buy the paper, colorful. So we went to different stores. We bought the number of colorful paper, just like he buying like a tube colors. Each paper is costing the $15 like that. Some paper is $20 like that. He doesn't bother about money. That I was thinking about it's so expensive that paper. Like that. So he started printing that time. He's a single prints.
So it was in Robert Blackburn. You were working there.
That I was working
with Hussain.
I was working. I was teaching. The same time I was teaching at City College also. One of the professor, Michi Ikami, came and she observing me. Then I was working. I also did collaboration with her work. She liked how I collaborating with her. So she said, why don't you come and teach?
At that time, Robert Blackburn was alive?
Yes, he was alive.
Okay. So you worked with him also?
He is working. He is a very kind person. He is a good artist. And he is a good-hearted person. And he got a good vision also. He struggled so much to establish this studio. Almost from the down to earth. He made it. So one of the very big contribution to printmaking world in America about Robert Blackburn.
So they now recognize his contribution.
Yeah.